I'm about to show you the easiest, most simple way to get little space buns. And you only need two things. One, clip like this. And two, bobby pins. I prefer to use the brown clips because it matches the color of my hair the closest. And as you can see, the clips are hidden in the buns. So using a clip that's the closest to your hair color, I feel like makes the most sense. So let's just get into it, quick and easy. So the first thing you're gonna do is section out the piece of hair, the section of hair that you want to be in a bun. I usually don't even bother using a comb or anything like that, unless I feel like being real precise, because otherwise it's business in the front, mind your business in the back. So you take your section and you take your clip. Now you can use a hair tie with this, especially just like when practicing the technique, but to me the hair tie is the most annoying part of the entire situation. So I'm gonna do it without a hair tie. First I'll do it slow and then I'll do it. You open your clip and clip it around the section of hair and make sure it's clipped, you know, like into your scalp so it stays nice. Then you're gonna take the hair and flip it over the clip with your hand there. So you'll flip it over your finger, grab it with your hand, open the clip and clip this excess part into it. And you're gonna get this, not you, but don't worry. You'll see the vision, okay? Then you take all of this hair that's sticking out of the clip and just fold it over and bobby pin it into a bun. It's literally that simple. I'm gonna do it again in case I didn't get all the angles. So you put it in the position you want it to be, place the clip in your hair, hold it with 2 fingers, flip the rest of your hair forward over your finger and over the clip, and grab it with the rest of your fingers. Now open the clip and take this remaining hair and add it to the clip that's already in there and attached. Like that. So it's gonna look like a little floppy dog ear. But that's when you take it, a bobby pin, a few bobby pins, you know? We're never gonna get perfect, okay? We're doing the sisters, not twins method. I've already messed this one up just by like trying to demonstrate. And then yeah, see how it's like a little fan? You just start fanning it out a bit and just put the bobby pins wherever you need them. Could be in the front and the back, whatevs. I have to redo it, but just do it a little faster so it's less floppy. Because when I slow it down, that's actually when I start like messing it up a little bit. The smaller you actually make the bun, like the tighter the bun, the easier it is to like make it the correct shape, because it'll always fan out more as you're pulling on it, you know? So yeah, that's it. You just fan it out and start bobby pinning it into place. And that's it. No space buns. For me personally, I'm like, they're more bare buns than space buns, but like, this is so much easier for me than the way I used to do it, which is like tying it in a hair tie, trying to get the bun to sit right, having to use 10 million bajillion bobby pins to get it to look the way I wanted to. I still haven't been able to master this technique with all of the hair up, especially because I got so much hair now, but maybe with bigger clips it would work. It's about the shape, you know what I mean? So I don't know, I guess if I figure it out with all of my hair, I'll let you know. But that's it. Happy bunning. Enjoy your buns. Hope your buns are doing great. Hope you have a bun day. Hope you get some good looking buns. Bun puns? Would you expect anything less from me? Alright, hope your buns treat you good. Bye.